Okay, welcome guys to the next tutorial. We're going to be looking at spotlighting today. I'm going to begin by just deleting my default cube so that I can show you how spotlights work. I'm just going to put a plane in there. Just move this out slightly, and then I'm just going to put a little bit of a backdrop. So let me see. Rotate by 90. Okay, so don't have the casting keys at the moment. One little itty bitty second. There we go. Right. So for your spotlighting, and especially doing different colours on there as well, pretty easy to do. So all you want to do is just go up to your add, and then we're going to go to light, and then we're going to go to spot. It's kind of very easy install with those. So this is our first spotlight. I'm just going to go ahead and change my render engine to cycles, because that's what the tutorials are in currently. And we notice that we've got this light right here, but we can't see any light that's coming in at the present time. So I'm just going to darken the background as well so you guys can see this. This is on render view, if you're wondering. So we're just going to go to the data, which is the little light bulb at the bottom. We're just going to increase the wattage just up at the side. Which is this little bit here. So now you can see that we've got a spotlight right there. You've got shadow caustics. Shadow caustics gives you a little bit more realistic shadows, but please remember to add them onto your object, because your object needs to receive those caustics as well. So you want to come over to here to object, which is the little yellow box at the side. We are going to go down to shading, and then receive and cast caustics, and then we'll do the same to this object as well. Again, shading, receive, cast caustics, and then I'll give you a little bit of a glow on there. So as regards to changing the colours on here, I think my webcam's kind of lagging a little bit here. Let's go Shift D just to duplicate this, and then I'm going to go back into the data section, and we will change this to blue. And that's basically how you change the colours to everything. Shift D, we'll do like maybe a red or a pink over here, and that's it. That's spotlighting in a nutshell. If you want to rotate your spotlight, just click this little yellow button here, or this little yellow button here, and you can just drag it. Or alternatively, you can rotate your little spotlight as well. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that tutorial. I'll see you in the next one.